Do you think it's accurate to say that everyone who smokes knows it's unhealthy?
Absolutely.
Then why do they smoke?
They smoke because they believe that the cigarette gives them something. They believe that perhaps it helps them relax or helps them cope with stress or helps them control their weight. And so long as they believe these things, it's very difficult to stop.
But people I know who smoke tell me that it's a great stress reliever.
In my own experience, it was probably the biggest creator of stress in my life. Now, if smoking relieves stress, then why doesn't it say it on the pack? Smoking a cigarette elevates your heart rate, it elevates your blood pressure, and it dumps adrenaline, the fight or flight chemical, into your bloodstream. I mean, does this sound like stress relief to you?
But then how does it provide the illusion then of stress relief?
Well, whenever a smoker is not smoking, they are in mild physical withdrawal from nicotine, and the longer they don't smoke, the more pronounced this feeling becomes. And then when they're able to smoke a cigarette, this feeling goes away.
So
and this is providing the illusion of stress relief.
So it's not necessarily work stress, life stress. The stress that they actually feel is nicotine withdrawal.
Well, Alan always argued that smokers are always more stressed than non-smokers for this reason, that they have all of the stresses and strains that everybody in life has, plus this additional stress of going through almost permanent physical withdrawal from nicotine.
Now, Alan Carr offers seminars to help people quit smoking. You claim it's the easy way to stop smoking.
Yes.
Kelly Catrone, John Mellencamp, Sir Richard Branson. I hear even Ellen DeGeneres has used your program, and they swear by it. What makes your program work versus many of the other programs that are out there, the nicotine patches, the gum?
Instead of talking to people about why they shouldn't smoke, we talk to them about why they do smoke. I think that people continue to smoke because they believe that the cigarette does something for them. It helps them relax, it helps them cope with stress, or it helps keep them thin or something like this. And so long as they believe this, it's difficult for them not to smoke. So what we do is we look at these beliefs in detail and we begin to challenge them. For instance, if smoking relieves stress, then why aren't smokers less stressed than non-smokers? If smoking helps keep people thin, then why do you see overweight smokers? You see, by encouraging people to look at this from a different perspective, you can encourage them to see something completely different. A very wise man once said that when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And this has never been truer than in the case of smoking.